Premier League Season 1. We are at this beautiful looking MCA International Stadium in Pune. It is time for clash of table toppers as Solapur Smashers take on Pune Warriors. Alright then, so the news from the centre. Anuja Patil calling it right, electing to field first. Joining me in the commentary box is Salil Ankola, former India international. A quick look at the playing 11 of both the teams, Salil.
Thank you, Julie. Good morning, everyone. And looking at this Solapur Smashers, they have the informed Tejasvi, Ishwaris and Avsari as well as Saukar. They have a good side. And then we have the Pune Warriors who is led by Anuja Patil, Khushi Mulla, Suhani Kandahar. It's a very good combination there. I think it's a battle between the orange cap and the purple cap.
But the opening pair of Solapur Smashers is out in the middle. Ishwari Avsare, half-centurion in the previous match. 97 runs in 5 matches so far in this tournament. Best of 52, which came in the previous encounter. And joining hands with her will be Ishwari Saukar. Back-to-back Player of the Match awards to Ishwari Saukar. Previous match, she scored the best of 78, which is also the highest individual score in Adani Women's Maharashtra Premier League. What an opening pair this has been for the Smashers, Salil. Coming up, Chinmay Borfale with the new ball in hand for the Warriors. But now we are all set for match number 1 of this triple header Thursday. And it's time to say, let's play. Ball number 1 coming up, hand for the Warriors. Sees it off, does Ishwari Avsare this time.
Bowling good with the new ball, and this one, the batter moves out of the off stump, makes room and gets in the middle. It's very good bowling. This is why she was up. Maybe this is a close one. We'll have to wait and watch. A little while ago,
Thank you. Ball has been fairly collected behind the wickets. Keep rolling. Batter is out of a ground at the moment. Still out of a ground, and yes.
Ishwari Avsare, she's gone for 10. Solapur Smashers, 14 for 1. And up to the stumps when you're facing a fast bowler. But Tejal Hasabnis, she walks in at 3 half-centuries. And she goes aerial. Intentions were there to attack. But Tejal Hasabnis is out on a golden duck.
Avsare and the second one of Tejal Hasabnis on the first delivery itself and is on a hat-trick. What a bowler. What a good time it has been. On the first ball of 0, 14 for 2.
Mukta Magre at number 4 for the Smashers. But what?
Oh, this has gone up in the air. Easy chance, easy catch taken. It was lofted. Magre went for the sweep. The connection not immaculate, and she had to pay the price for it. Jubilation for Ishita Khare. Magre departs for an 11-ball 5 as Smashers slumped to 22. Shalmali Kshatriya in at number 5 was playing through the ball, overarm. And this time, overarm bowling not doing the trick for the Warriors as
dot deliveries. And this has told us the story of the innings so far. But as long as Ishwari Saukar is out in the middle, sloppy fielding and concedes a boundary. The ball had no right to go to the fence.
Partnership have scored runs. The last ball gets the right kind of a treatment. It goes one bounce for a 4. This is what the doctors ordered.
Huge appeal by Vaishnavi Shinde. And up goes the finger. Anuja.
Beautiful delivery, that one. Right on seam. She couldn't read the ball. After pitching, it goes outside. Kind of a floater. And Shalmali Kshatriya departs for 14, 54, 52 for 4.
Damini Bankar. The
flash comes down the track. A fine, powerful stroke from Ishwari Saukar. Ishwari lofts this, uses her smarts and sends this backing over the fence. Stadium. Out comes the big heave in the leg side. And it goes all the way for yet another. And she's been castled. Khushi Mulla continues delivering the goods for the Pune Warriors. And Damini falls for
Out. The spinners have choked. The spinners have not given anything. And here Khushi means business. No messing around. Right on the
crease. Damini Bankar has to walk back. The 17 achievement in 21 balls. It's 88 for
Wideish delivery, lofted with aplomb by Nikita. Nikita shuffles across, tongs this to a long on, and that's a 3-wicket haul yet again for Chinmay Borpale.
Warriors team, look at that. She's rolled her fingers. She knows. She wants the batsman to play there, you know. She knew that the batsmen are going. And Nikita Singh got 6 in 5 balls.
यहाँ पे तूफान ले आई है चिन्मयी. जब भी उनके हाथ में वो गेंद होती है,
It will be adjudged a no ball. Here, Ishwari Savkar has a tame dismissal in the 20th over as Anuj inside the guidelines. Achal Agarwal comes down the track and is easily stumped of the bowling of Anuja Patil. A double wicket over this from the captain. Easy take, easy collection, and an easier dismissal for Shinde, the wicketkeeper.
Very well bowled again here. And this is what we were talking about. You know, Anuja will come and bowl the last over and use all her experience. And that's what she's done here. Very well bowled by Anuja Patil. 20 overs done, 105 for 8, the Smashers.
यहाँ पे ईश्वरी अवसरे, ईश्वरी सावकार डबल आइज देयर इन द मिडिल. लेकिन ईश्वरी अवसरे आज कुछ खास कर नहीं पाई. उनका मनोबल बढ़ाने के लिए सावकार वहाँ पे थी. उन्होंने बनाए
Full 20th over where everything happened. 2 wickets, 1 dropped catch, 1 wide reverse, and 1 stumping, adjudged a no ball and a free hit.
They'll be starting. This is Sohani Kandal, who's they have been getting the runs. She has been getting the runs along with Khushi Mullah. 5 there, right on the money. Gayatri Survase will be starting.
106 is what the Pune Warriors require to register their 6th straight win in Premier League. This team has been unbeaten, and we are all set now for ball number 1 of the second innings. An interesting strategy, isn't it? And something similar will be expected. Khushi tries to go aerial, making use of the power play, and the outfield will take it to the... Decides to step out, and mid-off could not stop that delivery.
If you have the passion, if you have the will, you'll find ways. And this is going to be very close. Should be given, and yes, it's given. This is a very good wicket. Absolutely plumb, according to me. But let's wait and watch if Khushi has some doubts, if Suhani has some doubts. Will they go in for a review? They should not go in and waste it, but yes, they do. Go upstairs.
Ball tracking coming up. Pitching outside, off, impact in line, wickets hitting. The original decision was out. Going back on field.
Back to the pavilion. Khushi gone for 8. Pune Warriors 10 for 1 after 2 of their runs. And Akshaya Jadhav walks in at number 3 for Pune Warriors. Excellent delivery, a loud appeal by the wicketkeeper, and up goes the finger. Solapur Smashers have struck again in...
Sliding in. The batter couldn't make it out, but plumb right in front. On the knee roll. The umpire doesn't have a doubt of Akshaya Jadhav, who goes back on 0. 11 for 2.
In at number 4 for Pune Warriors, Shweta Sawant.
And the other one jagging inside. That's a good shot. Much needed runs coming from the bat of Shweta Mane.
Class, stylish southpaw. That will be an appeal again. A huge one from Mukta, and it's given.
And this is a beautiful delivery. Again, landing on the seam, coming in. He tried to play for the turn. We're waiting for the turn, but that one would have wrapped the middle stump as it came in. Leg before by Mukta on 4. Warriors 16 for 3.
के बारे में बात करेंगे, पर अनुजा पाटिल इनका आगमन हो चुका है. पुणे वॉरियर्स की ये कप्तान.
Was part of that. Played off the back foot, bisects the infield. Good shot from Suhani. And it goes all the way for a 4 to close out the 6th over. Warriors 171 not out. Anuja comes down the track and cuts it along the carpet. Glorious stroke from the batters to go for an uppercut. Forget the uppercut. Bring out the lap. Use the vacancy in the fine leg region. Pick up the 4. Easy peasy for Anuja Patil, the skipper.
जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल आराम से we call it partnership. Very last ball, she played it nicely straight as an arrow. This is going to go over the fence for 4 runs. What a shot by Suhani.
Rani WMPL's inaugural edition. Oh, almost got the wicket of Anuja Patil there. Inside edge, and it scoots away to Afsare with the ball in hand. Patil gets a thick outside edge of this cut. She survives yet another time and gets a boundary into the 20.
Loud appeal by the wicketkeeper, and up goes the finger. Anuja Patil, the captain of Pune Warriors, she wanted to play the cut stroke again, but
I could give it. She started walking back. Good leg spinner, tried to cut that one, but couldn't get hold of it, getting the upper edge. And Avsare on 22 and 70 for 4. Because of my life there. This then 3 for 33. I came in my second spell. That is a very good looking shot. Picked up late there by the batter, Shweta Mane. And that is a...
तो ये सोच बढ़िया. ये देखिए, ये स्विप की यहाँ पे कोशिश, लेकिन विकेट मिलती हुई सफलता है यहाँ पे आरती के नाम. और
It's going to be... Oh, look at that. That sweep shot we were talking about, the field. And this has worked for the Smashers. Aarti Kedar. And in 16 deliveries, she'll be disappointed. 90 for 5.
Oh, swatted. Yet another chase for the fielder, but this time in vain. All the way it goes for 4. This is extend their undefeated streak. Utkarsha goes leg side. The fielder chasing it, but in vain. The winning runs have been hit by Utkarsha Kadam. The Pune Warriors remain undefeated and march to the final in style. Ruthless, relentless, on the money, led by none other than the opener who carries her bat, Utkarsha. Teams, remember, will meet each other in the final. Anuja Patil and Tejal Hasabnis, the two.
करने का 105 केवल बोर्ड पे लगा दिए उन्होंने 20 ओवरों में. ईश्वरी का योगदान वहां पे बढ़िया था. 44 she made in just 46 balls. Comes to Pune Warriors batting. This is the card. Suhani 43, Anuja 22 and Utkarsha once again unbeaten on 14. पुणे इन्हें आज पता है